Hi, I'm Ryan from Shoe MGK, Colorado, and I'm going to show you today how to use the MVP to clean your custom forces. All right, so first we're going to go ahead, dip your brush into some water, a couple of drops of the Blue Bottle, my cleaner conditioner, okay? We're going to start here from the bottom, just because you want that dry foam to be a dry foam. You don't want your foot to be wet, sock to be wet. Water activates it, water stretches it, so if you don't see that foam anymore, add more water, okay? You can do about 3 to 4 pairs of shoes just by doing that trick, okay? You can clean the entire shoe. It won't damage the material, won't damage the color. We're all natural product, okay? Laces as well. Bristles are soft enough to won't fray up the material. When you're done, take a towel, shirt, sock, doesn't matter. Wipe off all that dry foam. Now, I'm gonna use my water and stain repellent. This is gonna waterproof your shoes, but this also takes out your jean stains and streak marks. So anything that cleaner doesn't already take out first, this will always do it second, okay? Waterproof you 6 to 8 inches away. Let it sit for over 24 hours and it'll be waterproof. Okay, moving on to the next shoe, what we're gonna do again, just add more water. Don't have to add any more cleaner to the brush, and it'll keep on foaming up. Take that towel, wipe it right off. Going in the pattern of the shoe on the bottom is important. Get those bristles, work them in there. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Thank you guys for watching my video. My name is Ryan. That's how you guys are going to use your MVP to clean your custom forces.